From warehouses and workstations to offices, IT hubs, and shared spaces, clear labeling keeps operations structured, accessible, and efficient. The DYMO LabelWriter 5XL maximizes efficiency in every department, saving time, money, and effort. With an easy-to-use software developer's kit, it integrates seamlessly with enterprise resource planning and inventory systems. Designed for high-volume production, it ensures fast, precise labeling with automatic label recognition, detecting size, type, and quantity, preventing downtime due to errors, misprints, and jams. Direct thermal printing eliminates ink and toner, reducing costs and cutting label waste by up to 65%. Ensures sharp, 300 DPI smudge-resistant labels, perfect for barcodes, part numbers, and essential plant operations, meeting industry standards with precision. DYMO's durable labels resist heat, moisture, solvents, and cleaners, ensuring secure adhesion. Recognized with the Red Dot Design Award, the LabelWriter 5XL keeps production lines running smoothly. Calm the chaos in general organizations with the DYMO LabelWriter 5XL.